Hey guys, I am about to make a graphic for our Christmas drip video, and I thought I would, oh my gosh, can I speak? I thought I would bring you along to show the process. I have all of this in my brain of what I want to do I'm doing a video, but we're kind of doing a bit of graphic design and video editing, so it'll be a cool mix of both of the sides of our creative team. First thing I looked up was Christmas hip-hop sound. I found one that I think is great, and then I immediately got an idea in my mind, and we're gonna go for it. We're gonna use it. We're gonna just create. So I'm gonna try to bring what's in my brain out. I would advise for you to create off of something like a project you already have to make multiple pages, so that can be like your follow page, but sometimes that doesn't work and you have different sizes of the graphics you want to use, so sometimes it's a great way to keep order, but apparently that's just not at all what we're doing today according to me. So we're gonna get that photo, pressing photo, nothing's happening, awesome. And ignore my memes. I am a memer, that's what I do. Okay, let's bring my idea to life. First, I'm gonna crop it. I want to utilize the remove background effect. This graphic has already been created. I don't know by who. It could be Corey, it could be Gabe. Okay, so it has been done. It is created. I'm going to double that because it's always good to save your space. What I am doing right here is, okay, I'm going kind of fast now. What I'm doing right there is what I like to, I don't know what to call it. It's like a hazy, blurry effect where I make multiple masks of the same PNG background. PNG meaning there is a transparent background, meaning it's see-through. Okay, when you save it as PNG, it's a see-through background. I do that and I layer it and I like duplicate it, blur some of the background to make it look like a hazy thing, and then I bring it over to Visco to add grain to it. On the white, it looks like it's not really doing much, to be completely honest, but I use Visco. I use multiple apps. I go to Visco because I believe Visco's grain effect is superior. It is superior, okay? Now I am going to incorporate, I just had this idea in my brain I can transition from the white font graphic that we created with the tint and Studio app and Visco. We grained it out even though it didn't really show up. And we can transition into the red, into the bling bling graphic. So what I'm doing here now is I need a background color. A great app that I like to use is Pinterest for color palettes because I don't feel like creating a color in my mind. Sometimes I see the color in my brain, but I can't create it on the color wheel. So I just use it already pre-made color palette. I get it from Pinterest, like every normal human being should. And, I'm just matching it here clearly to see what works best with this graphic, this bling graphic that was not created by me. It was created by Corey or Gabe, one of them, probably Gabe. They're all amazing creatives. And I'm just getting a good background, festive Christmas background color on for both of them. I'm going to do a video transition from the white to the bling, okay? So right here, you just see me cleaning everything up, just getting that, because you remember right there used to be the what did the word say? Follow Gala or something like that. I'm just cleaning it up because I just want dripmas. And I use the mask button on my Studio app, which is the graphic design app, which talk to me if you don't have the login. Do not share this login information. I will punch you. I'm kidding. That's an empty threat. No assault allowed on this team. So now you see me messing with the actual original graphic created by Corey or Gabe, but I'm trying to get the icicles. So again, I'm cropping it down to just the icicles, pressing remove background, which is a feature that a lot of apps have now. I'm pretty sure Canva has it, but I don't use Canva. I think Studio was actually here longer than Canva. Canva is ripped off of Studio. It used to be called Over, but that's neither here nor there. And I'm just trying to get that same drip on down on the bottom. I'm going to duplicate it because I tried to crop it, the bottom part, and it you're going to see right here, it wasn't, see, we don't want that. Okay, so that's done. We're going to Visco. We're adding the grain effect. I'm a grain girl again. It's my theme. It's my stylistic theme. Add a little razzle dazzle. just the same grain. And try to remember, if you do have visco, what settings of strength that you put these, you edit these photos on. Anyways, I'm jumping over to my video editing app. This is what I use forever. I'm pretty sure you cannot use the login that I use. I have to pay subscription. So anyways, I use it for work anyways, so it's fine. So I am using the sound. Okay, how do I explain this? Oh gosh. So what I do is I screen record, and then I use that. I press overlay and I use it for the sound. You can press audio on the bottom where you see all these options. Extract the audio so you can have like music. So all I do is screen record stuff on YouTube and then extract the audio from the screen recording, and that's how I have my sounds. And I ain't paying for stuff, period. And basically, based off the sound, as you're gonna hear, I'm trying to match up the transition from the white font background of the graphic to the blinged out. You see that? The blinged out version. So I'm just trying to match it up, and you're gonna listen to it, and I'm gonna show you the finished product right now. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.